All right, let's get ready to meditate. So finding your way to a comfortable position, right? Seated, laying down, doesn't matter. And you don't need to even see me. So if you feel like you want to tilt the screen down or flip the phone over, whatever it is, take a moment. Take a big breath. Let out a slow, patient exhale. And just allow your awareness to draw inward, scanning the body for any areas you might need to shake out or adjust. And for our meditation today, we're going to bring awareness to different energetic centers in our body. And we're going to influence the movement of energy in these areas through our breath and through the power of our awareness. So now become aware of your spine, this central axis that is lifting and lengthening. And we're going to start at the base of the spine, your tailbone. Your root chakra. So take a big breath down into your tailbone. And imagine an earthy red color here. Let out a slow exhale. And keep that focus, breathing down into the base of the spine. As you feel this root chakra, this root energy center connecting you to the earth. Grounding into the here and the now. Trusting that this meditation practice supports you. And silently saying to yourself, I am safe. I am grounded. Breathing into the tailbone. I am safe. I am grounded. Then move your attention to your lower abdomen, below the belly button, swirling around in the pelvic bowl to our second energy center, our sacral chakra. You might picture the color orange. And just sending the breath down into this lower abdomen area. And let yourself off the hook. Give yourself some forgiveness. Okay, allow your breath to gently flow through your body like water into this lower abdomen. That's what we call our creative center. I celebrate my creative energies. I relax my resistance. Creativity is my birthright. As you breathe into the lower abdomen, you might silently say that creativity is my birthright. I am here to create. Then we're going to move the awareness up to our solar plexus. You can kind of think the space above the belly button but below the rib cage, to our third energy center, also known as our power center. Just think about the breath in and out through this central part of our body. You can picture the color yellow, like a bright yellow sun. Breathing into this power center. And with every breath, feel your power getting stronger. Power to create. Power to serve. I know myself. I trust myself. I find peace with myself and my surroundings. Big breath in. Breathe into that power center. And a big breath out. Then we're going to move our awareness up into our heart space, our next energy center, our heart chakra. With every breath, allow your heart to soften. You might picture the color green. Every breath bringing in healing, providing a new sense of well-being. I give and receive easily. I give and receive easily and effortlessly. Right here, right now, I make the conscious decision to stop fighting. And really allow the love to pour in and through me. And so rest in this awareness. Right? The stability of our root chakra down at the base of the spine. The creative flow of our second chakra in the lower abdomen. The power of our solar plexus. And the compassion in the heart. Balancing these different elements within our bodies and our energies. Take a big breath. Your awareness is enough to turn them all on, to activate. Then bring your awareness to your throat. All right, this energy center of self-expression and owning your truth. Breathe in and out through the throat, and you might picture the color blue. Opening up this space between my heart and my head. I realign with my truth. I realign with my truth. I show up honestly. And I realign with my truth. And bring your awareness to your third eye, the space between the eyebrows. And I want you to imagine your breath moving in and out through the third eye. This energy center of our intuition. You might visualize the color purple. As you breathe in and out through your third eye, you're bringing in more clarity, more insight. With my eyes closed, I learn to see with my third eye. My intellectual mind recognizes my intuitive perception. My intellectual mind recognizes my intuitive perception. I trust myself. I trust my inner guidance. And bring your awareness to the space right above your head, your crown energy center. The only chakra that is actually outside of the body. And as we open up the crown chakra by bringing our awareness to the space right above our head, opening ourselves up to a higher consciousness. Harmonizing ourselves with all of creation. And as that crowned chakra, that crown energy center opens, I want you to take a big breath and imagine drawing energy down through your crown, down through each center, all the way down into the tailbone. So breathing in and drawing that energy into the third eye, into the throat, into the heart, the solar plexus, the lower abdomen, all the way down to the base of the spine. I am open. I am connected. I am aware. Resting in this awareness, the stability of the root, the creative energy of the abdomen, the power of the solar plexus, the compassion of the heart, the expression of the throat, the intuition of the third eye, and the connectedness that we get through the crown. And take a big breath as you light up all these energy centers, lining up the spine. And a big exhale out. And starting with the crown, I just want you to imagine a door. And we're just going to gently close the door to keep these energy centers safe. So at the crown, right, we gently close the door. We're not shutting it out, but we're just protecting it. The third eye, we gently close the door, keep it safe. The throat, the heart, the solar plexus, the lower abdomen, the root. Feel the ground beneath you. To come back into this physical body, this physical time and space. Feeling aligned, balanced. And knowing that just bringing your attention to these energetic centers is enough to activate, enough to open and heal. Let's bring the palms together. Take a big breath in. Let a slow breath out. And thank you so much for taking this time to meditate with me. And from my heart to yours, namaste.